So we've been noticing this drone fly over our property. We got about 12 acres here, as you can see. It's been hovering over this field, this particular field. I'm not really sure why. So we came out here, we've been waiting for a couple hours trying to see if we can get it on camera for you guys to see what it is. It is matching the description of what they're talking about, the SUV size drones. And it'll just come over our property, hover for a couple hours and then leave. So today we're coming out here to see if we can get it on camera finally, but we're gonna see if we can get it. I don't know if you can see it. It's way, way, way up there. It's coming in. It usually comes down roughly around over there. So we're gonna try to hike out and see when it comes in, if we can get it closer up, because it gets pretty close to the ground.
It's pretty low.
The weird thing is our neighbor, he said that he saw, there's a tree house over here in the woods. He saw some sort of being a few weeks ago running around out here, and he couldn't tell if it was human or not. It's actually going really, really low. I don't know if you can see that or not. This thing doesn't really have a zoom, but it's right there, you can see it. And it's actually going straight down. It looks like it's about to land. That's right at the edge of our property. I don't know who owns that, but we're gonna try to get close to it and see what's going on there. Okay, so we just made it to the tree line. And on the other side, there's another field. And it looks like the drone came down and landed. I don't know if you can hear the propellers right now, but it's just on the other side of this field. I can't zoom on this because this little DJI, it doesn't have a zoom. So I'm gonna switch to my phone and see if I can get a good picture for you guys. I don't know if you can see that. I'm trying to see right there. What is that? Oh, what? Oh, wait, there it is, right there. Dude! Hey! What is? Hey! What are you? Oh! He needs some milk! Ah! Hey! A few weeks ago, running around out here, and he couldn't tell if it was human or not, which is kind of freaking us out. So we're gonna see what we figure out today. Oh! It's a drone! It's a drone! Where is it? Where is it?
What do you mean, where is it?
Where is it?
There it is, right there.
A drone! It's a real one!
So what you're looking at is a drone or a plasmoid or a UAP, whatever it is, got stuck in the top of this tree.